Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to add other featured channels to your YouTube channel sections. YouTube frequently changes this settings, but let me show you what is the latest settings as of now. What you have to do is you have to go to channels, and you can see I have only two channels which is featured. I want to add and remove couple of channels. To do that, you have to go to customize channel. From here you have to go to features sections, and here I have already added the feature channel, but always you can add from add section last option. Now let me show you how to add more channels. Click on edit section content. Here you can add more channels. For example, I want to add a new channel to my existing channels. I am searching for YouTube. I want to add YouTube as my featured channel. Then I'm taking YouTube creators, and also I'm going to take Google, and at last I want to take Team YouTube. Yeah, so I've added all the channels here, so I can rearrange the channels which you want to have first, and which you want to have second and third and fourth. And also what you can do is you can click on the delete icon to delete any more channels you want to delete. So that is how you have to add your featured channels. Now you have to click on publish. This is very important. You have to click on publish, and you can see you can go to the channel now, and you can see in the channel sections you will not see the feature channel will not get added here. What you have to do is you have to go and log in as a new browser or a incognito, or log off and log in again, and go to your channel, and from here you have to go to channel session, and from there you can see all the new channels has been added here. So this is how you have to add new channels to your YouTube. And so hope this video helped you. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.